It's another day in the crypto market. Bitcoin has fallen below 23,000. Celsius has actually paused all withdrawals from their platform. Binance has went ahead and paused withdrawals for Bitcoin for a period of 4 hours. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. Where is the bottom? Is it coming soon? Are we still going to be dropping? So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Eric here and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day and are doing well. Today is a bit of a different video. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin and do a bit of technical analysis on this one and see where the bottom could potentially be for Bitcoin. Which levels of support do we have? Looking forward to the future for Bitcoin. Of course, we're seeing it's right around 23,000 right now. It's not looking too good, but we do have some key support areas I want to highlight. So if we just zoom in on this Bitcoin chart, of course, it's not looking great. We see a massive volume candle, a massive daily candle going all the way from 26,600 all the way to about 22,500. Absolutely crazy. A lot of liquidation happening here in the crypto space, but where did we find support is where I want to emphasize points on. So we can see we found support right on this line around 22,600. And if we go all the way back to where does this correlate to, it actually correlates to a previous swing high, which we can see this was actually back in December 2020. So about 2 years ago, we were at these prices. And if we look at this line, it is this one in question here. So we did reach this all-time high back on December 2020, and basically we had a period of consolidation here for a few days and then it continued on its rallies. So this was a swing high, and usually when things start falling to pieces, we do go back to previous swing highs and they do become levels of support. So as we can see with the current state of Bitcoin right now, this was exactly a level of support. We see the big wick of the daily candle today all the way to that level of support, and it's bounced up about $700 from there. Now, does that mean that this is going to hold as support? We are not too sure. Nobody can actually predict the future, but if this were to fall, the next level of support would be around 21,800 or around $22,000. This brings us all the way back to 2020. Again, we had a top out right around 24,200 and we wicked all the way down to about 21,800, which would be that next level of support we just talked about. And as we can see, it closed above the level that we are at right now today, which is the support of today, which was 22,600. So those two levels are definitely some key levels to watch, because after that, if Bitcoin were to continue falling, as we can see, we have two massive daily candles here, not too much support in my opinion, and we would be going back to 20,000, which would be this local high right here back in December of 2020 as well. But if we go all the way back, we actually hit an all-time high here back in December of 27, right around 20,000 as well. So I do think that 20,000 is a massive level of support for Bitcoin. Hopefully we don't get there. Hopefully we stay around this price right now and we kind of consolidate within these levels, hold this support around 22,600 for support. If not, the next level around 21,800. Hopefully we hold these two supports, we can consolidate there and move back forward. But we also have inflation rising in the US and basically everywhere in the world. We have recession fears, we have the stock market plummeting as well. So nothing is really going well for the markets. And if we quickly take a look at these articles, we had Binance today that had to temporarily pause Bitcoin withdrawals on the BTC network. You could still do a withdrawal for Bitcoin on the Ethereum network or on the BNB network, but the Bitcoin network was actually paused for about 4 hours. And if we take a look at what Celsius came out with last night, they say due to extreme market conditions, today we are announcing that Celsius is pausing all withdrawals, swaps, and transfers between accounts. So this is a great reminder that if you hold money on the exchange, they actually can do whatever they want in hopes that they are helping the community. But as we can see here, for the people who were holding on Celsius, they are kind of stuck right now, hoping for the best for everybody. But of course, it is in the hands of Celsius and what they decide to do with this platform. But of course, you need an exchange in order to take out your crypto, turn it into fiat. So it is a push and shove. You have to kind of understand the risks of holding your coins on an exchange. But with all that being said, that's your crypto update for today. Bitcoin, take a look at those key levels of support. We have to hopefully find support, establish it, and then we can move upwards from there. But we have a whole lot going on in the world. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick update. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.